Welcome back, peeps. My name is Chad Wilson from Simple Cloudware, and today we are going to be talking about the HTML document. So what does an HTML document consist of? Well, let's kind of look at the anatomy of it. If we go over here to our index.html, we can see that we have a doc type, and we have an HTML tag, and a header, a meta tag, and a title. And these all have the equivalent header or \header tags that close the particular tag. And here's our body, and then you come down here to the bottom and you can see that the body is actually closed and then the HTML is closed. So what are these tags used for? The doc type tells the browser what kind of document this is. And there can be several different documents, but this one is listed as HTML. This HTML lang equals en actually tells the browser that this HTML page is in English. It could be in any different language. And then the header, which is noted by the head tag, is the information that describes the page. Now you see in here we have what its particular character set is. So this means that we're using numeric and ABC style characters to display it. It could be any type of characters. It could be Japanese symbols or Russian characters, which are similar to alphanumeric, but there are some additional ones. We also have the title, which shows in the tabs of the browser, and we have a particular link. So here is a link to the little icon that you see in the tab. And we also have different links here to supporting documents. These CSS documents are actually style sheets that we'll cover later. And one thing to note in an HTML document, like this extra space that's here between these two elements will be ignored. So if you have extra spaces or you tighten it up, it's not going to display in the browser, but it is good to follow this kind of indenting pattern so you can read it and other people can read it. Another thing that you can see here is we have these comments. Now when you wrap a piece of text in an exclamation mark dash dash, what it does is it does not display in the browser. So you can put little notes or things in your HTML document to help you code, or just for reminders of where you are or what the particular set of HTML is doing. Thanks so much for watching, and if you'd like more information, please click on the playlist listed below. Hit that subscribe button so people just like you can find this video, and please comment below to join the community. And remember, keep your head in the cloud.